The ABC class in Python stands for Abstract Base Class, which are used to define methods that must be implemented by any subclass, ensuring that subclasses meet certain interface requirements. However, the base class itself cannot be instantiated. An abstract base class is a class inheriting the ABC class from the ABC module. An abstract base class normally defines one or more abstract methods that have no implementation, using the abstract method decorator. You don't need to put any other code in the abstract methods, as they only work as placeholders and must be implemented in the subclasses. If we try to instantiate the abstract base class directly, a type error would be raised saying that the abstract class cannot be instantiated without an implementation of the abstract method. Now let's create a subclass rectangle inheriting the shape base class, but without implementing the abstract area method. When we try to create an instance of the rectangle class, the same type error will be raised. To make it work properly, we should implement the abstract method in the subclass, as shown in this example. This time it works as expected. Abstract base classes can work as the interfaces in other programming languages, which are used to enforce consistent behavior for related classes.